Good morning, everybody, and let's start off our morning with our sun salutation. Everybody take a big belly breath in and breathe out. That was nice. Let's do one more. Breathe in and breathe out. All right, let's start. I shape a circle, and you can repeat the words if you want. Then one more. Breathe in, breathe out. I fold in half and touch the floor. Everyone breathe in and breathe out. Nice. Up now, everybody put your hands on your shins. Let's start drumming. I hear some horses coming. The horses are getting closer. The horses are here. Everybody put your hands on your knees. Take a deep breath in. Stretch your neck out. And let me hear you make some horse noises and go. And I kick my feet back and drop right away. Everybody breathe in and breathe out. Now watch, ready for our cobra. I pull myself forward and let out a hiss. Everybody breathe in and breathe out. Nice hissing. I lift my bottom to the sky like a doggy, like this. Everybody take a big belly breath in and we're gonna bark like a dog. So breathe in. And everybody bark like a dog and go woof, 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 woof. Nice jobs. Ready? Let's become dragons. I drop to my knees and breathe dragon's fire. So we're gonna lift up our dragon tail, kick your dragon tail carefully behind you. Everybody take a big breath in and breathe out, and dragon's fire! And switch sides and lift a little higher. Kick your dragon tail back up, breathe in. Nice job. Now put your feet together, knees open, and I curl up like a little mouse. So everybody's gonna curl up like this. Put your head down, take a big belly breath in. And let me hear everybody squeak and go squeak, 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 squeak. Nice. And I stand up tall like a big strong house. Everybody show me your muscles. Go rrr, rrr. Nice job. And I reach and I reach and I reach for my toes. I can't get them. I got them. I got my toes. Breathe in. Stand up. Breathe in. Everybody show me a silly pose. Good job, everyone. High five. Awesome.